Some stocks to buy in 2018. So first of all, let's go over my portfolio. If you look at my TFSA in Questrade, I still own 235 shares of Ford at 1091, closed at 1174. I'm probably going to sell it at 12. Right now I'm sitting at 7.5% profit. So at 12 I'm going to sell this stock. As you can see under orders, I have a sell order at $12. I bought Pepsi last week at $100, closed at 112 cents. And I've got some Procter and Gamble shares at 74, closing at 74 also. Now all these stocks pay dividends. So while I'm holding on to them and waiting until the price goes up and so I can sell them, I'm collecting dividends. And under Questrade, to see your dividends, just click on accounts and then reports, account activity, and then you could just leave dividends highlighted, and here you'll see dividends $29.97 for my Ford shares. So if I go back to my portfolio, so I mentioned I bought Pepsi last week. Let me tell you why I bought Pepsi. First of all, 52-week low is 95, 52-week high is 122, and it was trading at 100. So it's close to its 52-week low. If I look at the 1-year chart, you can see that 11 months out of 12, it's been trading above 100. If we look at 2 years, almost all 22 months, it was trading above 100. And then if we look at 3 years, since April 2015, it's been above 100. From April 2015 to April 2018, so for 3 years, it's been trading above 100. So that gives me confidence that it's going to go back above 100 and trade in the 110s or 120s. And also, it pays dividends, 3.71% per year, and big market cap, 142 billion, and it's Pepsi. It's not going anywhere. I trust that it's not going bankrupt anytime. And if I look at reports, most of them say buy, strong buy, 12-month target price, 120. And if I look at financials, yearly revenue or yearly net profit, net income, 6 billion, 5 billion, 6 billion, 4 billion. So it's been decreasing a bit. Maybe that's why the stock dropped a bit, but it's still in a very healthy financial situation. If you look at quarterly, so it had one bad quarter where it lost money. Maybe that would explain the drop in stock price, but I see that as an opportunity to buy. So I bought some and now I wait. In my RSP, still got my dividend 15 split corp that I bought for dividends. It dropped a bit to 5.5. I bought at 669, so I bought a little bit too high. I got my Ford options that I bought at 155. It closed at 224, giving me a 44% return. I have a sell order to sell at 2.4, so hopefully tomorrow it'll get executed. Tesla, I got my Tesla that I bought at 250. It's at 296 now. Last week I bought some WestJet Airlines at $20, closed at 20.10. This one not too confident about. That's why I only put in $500, but it's trading at a 52-week low. It's got good revenue, good income, not going anywhere. If it goes to 22, 23, then I'll sell, and it pays dividends also. And of course Walmart, can't say anything bad about Walmart. If it drops below 80, I'm going to buy some more. I bought it at 86, it closed at 85 and 42. So stocks that I would buy more of, I'd buy Walmart even at this price or lower. I'd buy Tesla at 250 again. WestJet I'd buy at 20 or lower. Dividend 15 split corp I'd buy right now also. Procter and Gamble at this price also I would buy. Pepsi, well I've bought, so for sure I'd buy again at this price. Ford I'd wait, if it drops below 10 I'd buy some more. So if we look under Investors Edge, account information, account holdings. So I still got my Enbridge shares that I bought at around 48, trading at 40.30, but I keep collecting dividends on them while I'm waiting for the stock price to go back up. So if we go 13 months, let's say, and transaction type dividends. So I've collected dividends 3 times with Enbridge. So $41, $41, and $31. So almost $115 on $3,000 invested in the stock. Under my TFSA, I've got Synovus Energy that I bought at 15, trading at 12.67. It went all the way up to 14.50. I didn't sell, but maybe I should have sold because it dropped drastically, and I think I've had this for over a year now. I've got Enbridge that I bought at an average price of 45, closed at 40, collecting dividends also. Hudson Bay that I bought at 13.50, closing at 10.62. General Electric, that's killing me, I bought at 17, trading at 13.71, collecting dividends. Kraft Heinz that I bought at 75, trading at 58. So Kraft Heinz would be another stock that I recommend at this price, and New York Mortgage Trust that I bought at 6 and that I've only bought to collect dividends. And here you can see how much dividends I've collected on New York Mortgage Trust. So let's say 13 months, transaction type dividends, symbols NYMT. So I've collected 68, 35, 35, and 43. In 1 year, I've collected all this in dividends on about $2,000 invested in the stock. So I've got some Canadian cash available in my RESP, so I might buy some either Dividend 15 Split Corp or WestJet Airlines. If I buy some more WestJet Airlines, it'll probably be at around 19 or 18, and some Dividend 15 Split Corp, if it reaches closer to 5, I might buy some, or maybe some more Enbridge if it reaches 37. So yeah, so these were my stock tips. So as you can see for yourself, these are the stocks that I buy. And so as you can see, I trade with Questrade and Investors Edge. I've got a referral code for Questrade. If you're going to open an account with Questrade, use my referral code. We both get between $25 and $250 depending on how much you deposit initially. And the referral code will be in the description at the bottom of the video. So if you have any questions or stock tips, please leave them in the comments below. If you like my video, like it, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.